Ali Landry is a wellness advocate, actress, and former Miss USA, but at 46, she wants a fresher version of herself. So we caught up with Ali as she tried out a non-conventional cosmetic treatment to try to turn back the clock.
So my name is Ali Landry. I went on to compete for Miss USA. I just turned 46 years old, and everything seems to have changed.
What Ali's getting today is the fountain of youth, but in the injectable form.
I don't think it's crazy at all to put stem cells in your body.
Ali is getting mesenchymal stem cells injected into her face today. So these mesenchymal stem cells are like heat-seeking missiles. They will go to wherever the injury is, what cells need repair or are damaged, and they'll go to that site.
Okay, ladies watching, I am about to do my stem cell treatment.
Hey Ali, how are you? So what I'm gonna do today is inject from the top to the bottom. I'm gonna do a little bit of injections up here in these little indents.
So for me, one thing that I have been noticing is my eyelids.
What we can do with stem cells is inject it into the area to help lift that lid. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out the stem cells from the cryo tank. Super cold, but super fresh. So Ali, it's time to start the injections. Yay! Okay, here we go. She's doing awesome. Beautiful.
I've never had so many needles put in my face before, so that's interesting.
So now we're done with the forehead and we're gonna make our way down. So right there, we wanna grab that. Woo! We're almost there, Ali. You're doing so great. So we like to massage the blood. Okay, Ali, so we're all done.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to
I'm
see.
super excited.
Oh my gosh.
Ali joins us along with Beverly Hills Rejuvenation's practice director, Charmaine Arnaud. And really quickly, before we get to your treatment and what you thought, let's do a little side-by-side before and after of the treatments that you had done. And now, as we see that, I'll ask you, what are your thoughts?
When I saw the side-by-side, I'm not kidding you, I almost fell out my chair. Because I was like, I didn't know there was that much joweling. I didn't realize the eyelids were, you know, I just hadn't seen that. But when I saw the after, I was shocked. And this is like no filler. Like literally, I wanted a true representation of what that would look like. This is only stem cells.
So you didn't do any other procedures alongside, like any laser treatments or microneedling or any other adjuvant procedures?
I did afterwards. We alternated a clear and brilliant treatment with a microneedling. I did 2 of each, just to sort of create a little more inflammation and kind of activate that skin to really get those stem cells to go to work. And that's all I did. The stem cell treatment and then those
So
4.
these treatments were done after the
They were
stem
done
cells, but
after.
before the
Yes.
pictures were taken.